Good morning, guys. Hey, for the Newton's first law of motion lab, you're going to have to graph your average velocity and distance that you calculate when analyzing your data. To do that, go to your Google Sheets. And when the Sheets opens up, you're going to take the data from your average data table, question 2. And in the first column, we're going to label that average maximum velocity, meters per second. Double click between the A and the B cell to widen it. And then in the next column over, column B, that's going to be our average maximum distance traveled. That's going to be in centimeters. Double click between the B and C just to widen it out. And then take your averages for the 3 different heights. So I'm just going to use some random data that I'm going to make up. Maybe these numbers will be close to yours, maybe not, but you put in your own values off your table that you compiled. The distance is in now. And then now I'll make my line graph. So I'll need to highlight all 8 cells. I will go to Insert. I will go to Chart. And now we have to choose chart types. So I'm going to go find a scattered right here. Click on Scatter. As you can see, I have my plotted points here for my averages. So the next thing I have to do is go in and customize it to label, to give it a title, to label the X and the Y. I'm going to change this title to Newton's first law of motion. You can choose your own title to so correlates or relates to the lab itself. You could do, I don't know, distance versus velocity, or that would be fine since distance is on the Y. I'm going to scroll down to my horizontal axis and give that a title. That's going to be my velocity. Average velocity in meters per second. I got to label and title my left vertical y-axis. That's going to be my average distance, centimeters. And trend line exponential. Click Insert. I got my graph, and now I can copy and paste it to my lab. Try don't link. There it is. Any questions, let me know.